Hi guys, welcome back. Now we are currently in a new month, so we need to check out the monthly time frame of what Bitcoin will be doing very soon. Now we can see in the past 2 months we saw that there was a close below this range, and that signifies bearish movement. Now we can also see that there was a rejection at this point in the previous month, which is the month of July, this particular month right here. And also we can also see that there was a sweep at this low. There was a sweep at the low, which is signifying that we should be expecting a buy to the upside. But because we are on a downtrend, we might not be taking that long buy. So to check that more, we're going to go to the line charts. On the line chart, we can see we have this support zone that is not currently a resistance zone at this point, which is support turned to resistance. Now we're going to go back to the chart and then go down to the 1 week time frame. And on the 1 week time frame, we can see that there was a reaction at this point, which was the support onto resistance zone, and there was a sell-off. In that case, also in 1 week time frame, we can see that we have a sweep at this point. There is a sweep at this point, you can see, and we can see there is a break at this point. So take note of that. There's a break. If there's a break, here will be a protected low. Now I'm going to go lower to 1 day time frame, and on the 1 day time frame, we can see that Bitcoin is selling from this zone. You can see that from my last post. That is the 4-hour zone where Bitcoin is selling from right now. And we can also see that we are seeing the head and shoulder pattern already forming. The head and shoulder pattern is already forming, so which signifies sell. We can also see that there is a sweep. There is a sweep at this candle right here, and there is a close of the candle. So this is a confirmed bearish engulfing candlestick, which is also sweep, break, liquidity, and point of interest using just this candlestick. We can also see that same pattern forming in this point. There is a sweep at this point, and now there's a break at this point. So this is a sweep, break, we need the liquidity, and then here will be our point of interest to sell. So I'm expecting Bitcoin to sell again from this point. This will be the last sell entry Bitcoin is going to give for those people who love to swing Bitcoin. So that's the more reason I'm looking for a buy to that point before selling. And now in the 1 week time frame, I said we were having a break above the candlestick, which is this, and this low becomes our protected low, which is this point. Now we're going to go lower time frame to see if we can have an entry in that place. So we can see on the 4 hours time frame. Okay, wait. So we're going to go to the lower time frame. So we're going to go to the lower time frame to see. So we're going to go to the lower time frame to see if we have an untouched zone which we can use to buy Bitcoin. Now we can see that in the 4 hours time frame, this is the last bearish candle, and this was used as an order block there for Bitcoin to buy up. Now we'll go lower to the 2 hours time frame. The 2 hours time frame, can see that this here is the last candle, and this can also be used as an order block, and we can see that it is untouched. The other block is untouched. So if we go to the 1 hour time frame, okay, we're still looking for untouched zone. If we go to the 1 hour time frame, we are going to see the 1 hour time frame that we have a sweep at this low and a break above this high, which makes this point our POI, sweep, break, liquidity, point of interest. That is the reason why you see me that I'm having this point also as my point of interest, basically my sniper point of interest. Why here is my also my point of interest to buy. So I'm going to be looking at good reaction before buying Bitcoin, but my main view is selling. I'm going to be selling Bitcoin from this point. Okay, I also sold Bitcoin from this point, which was a sniper entry. It was a sniper entry. You can check my Telegram group. I always post all my trade there. It was a sniper entry. You can see. So now I'm expecting that same sniper entry. I'm expecting another sniper entry at this point here. So I'm expecting Bitcoin to buy up and then sell. So I'm expecting Bitcoin to sell to 40K, 35K dollars. So, but we're going to be trading it. So this is my expectation in this month of August. First, we're going to be buying. Second, we're going to be selling. So follow my Telegram channel so that you can always get my signal whenever I drop it.